Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make logo in Canva. Creating a great logo is simple with Canva's massive library of professional templates and design features. Whether you're aiming for simple logos or more intricate designs, Canva offers everything you need to make your logo stand out. Good designers know the importance of color combinations and customization options, all of which are available in Canva. First, we want to show you an approach that requires minimal time and effort. Canva always has a free template for professional logos and a free logo maker tool. It also has almost unlimited logo template designs for a number of industries. Check this out. After logging in, I searched logo, and this is what shows in the drop-down menu. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an options. When we click on that, this is what we get. And this is only part of their selection. Without having to do any work, Canva delivers plenty of themed templates with numerous customization options and can be downloaded within seconds, literally. You can choose any of these and then customize them however you'd like. Here's the logo template I went with. At this point, I haven't made any edits. All I had to do was change the name by clicking on the text box to edit it. I delete this and change it to Kasiguran. And there's my custom logo. These Canva free templates are an excellent option if you're looking for something quick and easy. However, bear in mind that you can also use this as inspiration or starting point. Canva still gives you the option to customize each element however you see fit. Now, then we can change the background color in this picture. You can do this by clicking on the background and then clicking the color square towards the top left corner. This opens up all of Canva's color options. Knowing how to use Canva can take your graphics to the next level. We can add in this logo, like I will search for birds. Tap on the elements and tap birds. Now, drag and drop the birds in the picture. Now I resize mine to make it a little smaller by dragging one of the corners of the birds. You can change the font color, the orientation of the design elements, the sizes of the elements, and the stripe design over the river or the mountains. The finished result might look nothing like the template, but you'll have had a much easier time arriving at that destination. Then, when you're happy, tap on share button and you can download your logo. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.